Can I use the lock without Wi-Fi at home? Of course. First, open the app. Tap Add Device. Find your device. Tap Confirm. If you don't have Wi-Fi at home for now, skip it. You can still connect your phone to the lock via Bluetooth. This way, you can easily set up the lock. Add an admin password. Palm vein.
Registration successful.
Fingerprint.
Registration successful.
Calibrate deadbolt. These functions all work perfectly fine without Wi-Fi. Even better, you can use Bluetooth to add family members' fingerprints, passwords, and palm veins, and share one-time passwords. But if you want view live playback and control the lock remotely, the smart lock must be connected to Wi-Fi.